Today we're visiting one of the most peaceful and beautiful places in the city of Medellín, el Jardín Botánico. Right in the middle of the urban energy, traffic, and movement, you find this green sanctuary, 14 hectares of pure biodiversity, color, and calm. And this is probably the most iconic structure in the entire garden, the Orquideorama. This stunning wooden structure isn't just architectural art. It was designed to collect rainwater and create microclimate that protects the orchids. It's a modern, organic, and perfectly blends with nature. Honestly, it feels futuristic but natural at the same time. Free of charge, you only have to present your ID or passport. You have two options, main and back entrance. I'm using the back entrance, but I will show you the main at the end of the video. This is the kind of place where you slow down. You breathe deeper, you disconnect from stress. Whether you are visiting Medellin as a tourist or you live here, this is a must-see. What makes this place so special is that it's not just a park, it's a living museum. Here you will find more than 1,000 species of plants, including orchids, palms, tropical flowers, and native Colombian trees. Colombia is one of the most biodiverse countries in the world, and this garden is a beautiful reminder of that. If you walk quietly, you will notice this place is full of life. Butterflies, birds, turtles, even iguanas. It's incredible how much wildlife exists right here inside the city.
Yo creo que sí.
Sí, va a ser esto. What I love most about the Jardín Botánico is how it reminds you that even in a growing modern city, nature still has a place. If you're ever in Medellin, make sure to visit. Take your time, walk slowly, and let the city fade away for a while. The garden isn't just about beauty, it's also about conservation and education. They work to protect endangered species and teach visitors about sustainability and environmental awareness. It's a space where nature and knowledge come together. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Have you visited Medellin before? If not, will you add this to your travel list?